XO out here. She's about all the way caged up, at least on the main cage. You can take a look at it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I got all of these bars welded up and on here.
You cut the wheel wells?
Yeah, I got the wheel wells cut. There's a whole bunch that'll be in this video, so stay tuned. Finally getting some of this knocked out so that I can weld the plates in. It's definitely a fun job. If y'all have not seen the other videos of this car before I started doing all this, you should definitely go check them out. Definitely way different now. Well, finally got all 4 of these back plates welded in. Put a little paint on them, keep them from rusting. Now we just need to get the halo put back on, the pillar bars, get the plates welded. Still need to work on getting the floor just right. Welds ain't too bad, not the best. Got the rest of these plates tacked in right here, over there. The rears are done. Got this welded up. Ready to paint the floor on this thing. Get the cage painted. Tomorrow, get the pillar bars, everything lined up. Get these plates the rest of the way welded in. They're just tacked in right now. Sorry for not filming too much of me actually doing the stuff. I tried to get as best as possible, but I've just been trying to crack at getting all this together. It's been quite an experience. It's the first time ever building anything like this, but so far it's going pretty good. Get these pillar bars back on here. Finally about to test some color on this. Maybe spray a little bit of the floor and test that out. He's chipping away at the rest of this sound deadening stuff. But the color we chose is this gloss red. It actually looks pretty good. I still haven't painted right here because I'm gonna have to weld these bars on here soon. But overall, not too bad. Still not sure if I want to keep the red and go with something else. The floor I'm gonna do in this rubberized undercoat. And I was actually looking, came across this light that I've had. It's a super bright red light, like super bright, but I think I'm gonna try to make this my 3rd brake light. Thinking on this, mount it like that. I'll have to weld a tab onto the bar, but try to have it flush with that right off the back. All right, for this back light, I think I'm gonna have to run this harness all the way back here again, hook up my 2 rear outer lights, and that 3rd brake light right there. I'm gonna try to splice into those wires to mount this one. All right, got the wires running now for the light. Made me a little bracket. Still gotta clean it up a little bit, but gonna be welding that right here on the back side bottom of this bar. After a little bit of welding, finally got that on there. Came out pretty good. Wiring's just temporary for now. But I cleaned up the bracket, it came out pretty good. It's definitely gonna be pretty dang bright. drive it on the road some. Seems like it's gonna take forever, but do need to go get some more gas. Get this thing welded up. Do have to finish putting that bar on that side, and once I get that done, not really gonna be too bad after that. I just wanted to get the main structure. I'm ready to build the front end so bad. Not too much longer in this thing. Should be good to go. Hopefully doing some crazy burnouts. Done cut these. I got 2 of these to go on either side. Still gotta notch it. I'll probably do the driver bar, seatbelt bar, this bar, leave the door bars off for now. I do have a lot of parts that I'm trying to mock up on this to make the bars go from this part of the cage down, around, and come over to the front end. But that's pretty much me going and doing it custom. This right here is pretty much self-explanatory on just welding all that stuff together and making a regular roll cage that would be pretty much inside of a car. That is already still a pretty big job to do all that, but to go from this bar and just kind of custom make whatever I see in my head, it'll be nice, but got a pretty good image for what I'm going for. Did get another light bar for it, so that will mainly go right here after I extend this front end out. Probably gonna put it on the very bottom bar, and then these will be about here, hanging down off the main top bar. I am still all over the place with what color I want to have this cage. Doing the bay the same color as the cage, so that's why this is just whatever it is right now, pretty much. And yeah, so I just want to mainly figure out what color the cage is gonna be before I start jumping into painting and sanding and doing all this to the bay. Back looking at this nasty thing that's starting to get rust all over it. What do you think, Jacob?
I think it's coming along well. I think everything is coming along well. Just welded the side here.
Yeah, we still got to get the door bars done. Working on getting these notched. Still have to notch this. Get these fitted on. Not that worried about that right now because I just really want to get this dash bar and the seatbelt bar done for safety.
Got a question for you. What color are you gonna eventually paint it, hopefully when it's all done?
That is a question that the comments should decide on for sure. Definitely drop a like because I honestly have no idea. Well, we're out here. We got kind of crazy with some paint, but I really think I like the white. Right now, since I got all of the plates done, finally, bars are in there and welded. Everything is good, except now we have to do this bar. I'll have to put my seat back in, seatbelt bar, and then after this, we will maybe in this video put these door bars on, but I'm not sure yet. All right, got this bar laid out right here. Did a little bit of marking. I've never notched anything. You can see right here from the original cage that I bought. It was just, I don't know what happened. It was supposed to fit this and it didn't. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this right here and save it. I'm not gonna cut this yet because this will go around the bar. All right, now we got the hole and the vise. That thing comes in handy. But anyways, about to cut this. Alright, I had to cut the pipe a little bit shorter, but look at how this is about just a little bit on the bar. I think you can kind of tell on the camera. Alright, after not a lot of cuts, maybe 4, we finally got something. If I can get it to pop in there. It's real tight. That's what you want though. There we go. Then it'll come up to there. Get that side, yeah. Alright, right now, just pretty much trying to fit this bar in. Trying to mark the location with this seat. Also for a regular stock seat. We got this pretty close. Still back at level. Super small gap right here. Show them a little bit of my squiggly lines, but the notch is pretty decent. Pretty decent. It's a test notch, nothing special. But let's go try it out. All right, we done did a little bit of measuring and looking at it, me and Jacob. Right now, got it zeroed out. About to notch this the rest of the way on the top. I'm really hoping that'll get us very close to what we need. Finally got it notched right. We'll get it knocked out for you and show you. Got us a harness bar. I don't know, guys. Got the whole cage white. It's probably just temporary for now. I'm not sure if I want to stay with the white cage, but seatbelt bar knocked out, dash bar knocked out. Now we just need to do these door bars, get these top ones done. I just got to finish notching them. Getting both of these sides chopped up. This one is close to being done. This one. Gotta take the hose off of the gas tank, take the hose out, cut all of that after I get the tank masked off. The white looks really good, but y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think the best color for this would be. I think it looks pretty good like this, but it's gonna be definitely hard to keep clean. That's my only thing. But get cracking at it in the next video. Hopefully have a lot more done like this one. Got the top bars done, welded in. Next will definitely be these door bars, so I can finally start working on building the back, building the front. Everyone that subscribed, I really appreciate it. All the love in the comments. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. There's still a lot more to do. Plus I have the other 3 builds. Stay tuned. Have a blessed day. See you in the next one.